There we go, we're going.
Folks, this is Random's Parody. We are going to make fun of everything that is good, which means we are making fun of Star Wars, Harry Potter, and
Ronald Reagan.
Huh?
Ronald Reagan.
And Ronald Reagan and Ronald Reagan. Ha! Now, for Harry Potter. Once it's ready. Oh! Ah! Folks, we're taking frauding to a whole new level. Shoopus! Wait, that's already taken. Clampus my bean! Clampus my bean! Clampus is vegan. Ah! Y Clampus fetus! No, no throw you! I'm Harry Potter! No, no, no!
Hey.
No, I'm Harry Squatter!
Hey, Harry Potter had a wart.
I got a wart! See it? No, help me! Next, we are making fun of Star Wars.
Bravery.
Hello! I'm Anakin Fleshwater! And you're Yoga.
And I'm Yoga the Master.
Yoga the Master? It's Yoga the Master versus Anakin Fleshwater! Oh! Yes! Oh! 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 Sorry, sorry. I'm dying. I failed you. Oh! 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 Next is Lord of the Rings. I'm Legolas.
Hey, ready to get some lunch?
Yeah! Yeah, let's go get some lunch. Bye, folks. Hope you enjoyed our parody part 1.